talk about Rohit and Rahul's collection?
I saw some of the pictures before I actually got here. I think it's absolutely smashing stuff. You know, the graphic prints and everything. It's so much detail, such sharp cuts. They're always fabulous with their work. And this time, what I appreciate most is the little touch of the backpacks and the bags. I think it adds that little bit of extra. We had a big debate on whether I should carry the bag or not. But Rahul thought it would slow me down and he didn't want that.
We don't believe in showstoppers. So we've had only two showstoppers, Salman twice and Ranveer thrice. So twice. So we only go for the best.
Rahul, would you
So
like to
kind of
elaborate
you.
on the collection that was showcased today? Do we have any more questions?
Okay, I really must mention this,
Okay, by the way, you put in a spot.
but I am on the spot. No. I am like a younger brother to the both of them. They are like older brothers to me. To be honest, even before I actually made my debut, it's absolutely makes me feel like $1,000,000. I have to tell you. He may keep it very simple, but he's got a very, very sharp eye, and he looks at everything in much detail. Very, very sharp, very, very precise. And he had absolute clarity on what he wanted me to wear today. And I saw it, and it was love at first sight. I was like, yes, this is it. This is going to work. And we wore it, and to be honest, all that love and positivity that was being exchanged between me and everybody else who was sitting at the show, it stemmed from the fact that I felt great wearing what I'm wearing. You feel good, you look good, you feel great, you spread positivity, and it all comes back to you. I think it was a smashing show tonight.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Do we have any questions?
No brand conscious. Do you think a cool guy has to be brand conscious? Hello, nothing fits me. I wear whatever fits me. I wear black. No. No, I think fashion is what you feel comfortable in. He looks good in whatever he wears. And he knows it.
Rahul, you'll tell us about the theme of the collection?
The theme of the collection was in transition, and it was just about the urban life, how fast we are. We all in a haze, so it was all about the glitch prints. There was just monochrome tone over there, and it was inspired by the urban city and our lives.
And it was lovely that there were more men than women.
Yes, for the first time, we enjoyed men being there, yeah, and women were props this time.
How hot were they looking?
Yeah.
Everybody was looking so, so hot. Each one was a stunner, each look. I was backstage, and honestly, there was so much chaos happening that I did not really process what is going on. I came at the very last moment, so I had to learn my marks. You got to go there, then you got to do that, then you got to do that. There was a lot to process. Just one glance at everybody, and they were looking absolutely stunning. I didn't actually realize that there were more guys than girls. Always, always, especially before live performances. I think if I don't actually bath, it's I don't find that a good omen has happened. I actually get very nervous before every single thing. But you know, once I'm on the ground and once I'm in the moment, like when the camera rolls, then I guess I'm just in it, in the moment.
One last question, please. One last question.
Ji.
Wrong word, talented.
Thank you. He's done some fabulous work in Tamasha, which I truly appreciate. And I told him personally, I have a lot of respect and admiration for him. He's doing some fantastic work.
Thank you. Thank you so much. We're done with the Q&A.
Right. I think I absolutely deserve it.
That's it. That's it. Please, we're done with the Q&A. Thank you.